Raspberry Pi. What exactly is Raspberry Pi? Well, it's a small, affordable, and credit card sized computer that was created with the goal of promoting computer science education. It was first released in 2012 and has since become incredibly popular among hobbyists, makers, and even professional developers. The Raspberry Pi is powered by a Broadcom processor, comes with various connectivity options, and runs on a custom version of the Linux operating system. It's equipped with a range of input and output pins that allow you to connect various peripherals and sensors to it, making it a versatile and flexible device. One of the most exciting things about Raspberry Pi is its advanced features, which allow you to use it for a wide range of projects. For example, you can use it as a media center, a web server, a game console, or even a smart home controller. To do this, you'll need to learn how to program in Python or other languages, but once you do, the possibilities are endless. Another great feature of Raspberry Pi is its GPIO, general purpose input-output pins, which allow you to connect various sensors, actuators, and other electronics to the device. This means that you can use Raspberry Pi to build robots, automate your home, or create all sorts of DIY projects. Now that you know the basics and advanced features of Raspberry Pi, let's talk about some of its most popular applications. One of the most common uses of Raspberry Pi is as a media center. You can use software like Kodi or Plex to turn your Raspberry Pi into a home theater system that can play movies, music, and TV shows. Another popular use of Raspberry Pi is as a web server. You can use it to host your own website, set up a VPN, or even create your own cloud storage solution. Raspberry Pi is also great for DIY projects, such as building a smart home system, automating your garden, or creating a robot. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Now that you know what Raspberry Pi is and what it can do, it's time to get started with your own Raspberry Pi project. Here are some basic steps to follow. Get a Raspberry Pi starter kit. You can find them online or at your local electronics store. Download the latest version of Raspberry Pi OS. Set up your Raspberry Pi by connecting it to a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Raspberry Pi OS. Start experimenting with Python and the GPIO pins to build your own projects. In conclusion, Raspberry Pi is an incredibly versatile and affordable device that can be used for a wide range of applications. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there's always something new to learn and discover with Raspberry Pi.